Most guys think that to keep a woman's interest, they need to text more, call more, and always be available. But what if I told you, doing less can actually make her want you more? In this video, you'll learn how to hold a woman's attention without chasing her, using psychology, subtle confidence, and a calm, powerful presence. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Infinite Inc., your home for powerful psychology and self-mastery. 1. Don't be too available. High-value men are not always available, and women pick up on that fast. If she thinks you have nothing going on, she'll lose interest. You don't have to ignore her, but don't drop everything for her either. Show her that your time matters, and she'll start valuing it more. 2. Make her curious, not certain. Chasing is about proving, attracting is about pulling. Instead of trying to impress her, give her space to wonder about you. Don't overshare everything at once. Let her discover you over time. The brain craves mystery, and curiosity builds connection. 3. Keep your mission first. A man with purpose is magnetic. When your life has direction, women notice and respect it. Don't let your goals go on pause for a relationship. She wants to be part of your journey, not the center of your world. 4. Be emotionally controlled, not cold. There's a big difference between being calm and being distant. A woman stays interested when she feels emotionally safe, but not when a man is desperate for approval. Keep your emotions balanced. Let her feel heard without losing your own center. 5. Flirt, then pull back. Give her attention, make her smile, then pull your energy away. This creates tension. Not games, just rhythm. If you're always available, she'll feel like she's already won. But if you create moments of attention and distance, she'll stay engaged. 6. Don't over-text or over-explain. You don't need to keep the conversation going 24/7. One powerful message is better than 10 dry ones. High-value men don't try to prove anything. They speak with clarity and then let it be. 7. Let her invest too. You don't need to do everything for her. Let her plan sometimes. Let her text first. Let her miss you. If you're doing all the work, you're chasing. But if she's investing in you too, she's emotionally engaged. Women aren't attracted to men who chase. They're drawn to men who lead with calm, confident energy. So stop trying to prove your worth. Start showing it. Silently. If this helped you understand the mindset shift you need, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Infinite Inc. for more real psychology, quiet power, and high-value wisdom. Thanks for watching, and remember, you attract more by being grounded than by being loud.